Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create a full website using Systeme.io in 2025. It's completely free to start, beginner friendly and perfect for anyone who wants to launch a personal brand, blog or online business without hiring a developer. What is Systeme.io? Systeme.io is an all-in-one marketplace platform. You can build websites, sales funnels, and send emails, sell courses, and manage affiliates all in one place. Why it's great for beginners? Drag and drop editor, free plan available, hosting included, easy to scale your business. Now, go to system.io and sign up using your email address. Just enter your email here and click here. It's 100% free, no credit card needed. Click on start for free now. Enter your email and password. Confirm your email. Log into your dashboard, and that's it. Now log into your Systeme.io account or create a new one. And to get this started for free, enter your email address, then click here. Now confirm your email address. Now enter your first and last name. Create a new password. Then click I'm not a robot. Then verify the captcha. And click save. Now let's build your website. In the menu, click blogs or funnels depending on your goal. For a traditional site, go to blogs, then click create. Name your blog, for example, my business site. Choose a template or start from scratch. Systeme.io gives you a clean, fast loading site automatically hosted on your subdomain, on their subdomain, or you can connect your own domain later. Once your site is created, you will see default pages like home, um, blog, about, and contact. Click on the pen icon to edit each page. Click Edit. Use the drag and drop builder to add text, images, buttons, videos, etc. from left sidebar. Update page titles, SEO metadata, and layout styles. Preview your site anytime by clicking the eye icon. Want to add more pages like services or FAQs? Scroll down or choose FAQ and drag and drop anywhere like that. Choose a layout. Drop your first element like text. Link it in your menu by editing the header section. You can fully customize navigation bars, footers, and add social media icons. To make your site look professional, connect your own domain. Click Save Changes, then click Settings, then scroll down or click Exit, then go to Settings, then Custom Domains, then click Add a Domain. Enter your domain like your name.com. Follow the DNS instructions from your registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. Once verified, your site will work on your custom domain, for example, yoursite.com. Once you have added content and signed and designed your pages, click Publish. Test all links, buttons, and forms. Share your site on social media, YouTube, email, or ads. You can also build an email list and start collecting leads with opt-in forms. And that's how you can build a beautiful website with Systeme.io completely free. Whether you are starting a blog, online store, or coaching business, Systeme.io gives you everything in one platform. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Drop your website link below. I would love to check it out.